Hello all my crafty friends, it's Carol here today, and I'm here with a project share. I know I've been missing in action for quite a few months now. It seems that at the beginning of the summer I went on vacation, and then when we came back we had our granddaughter almost every single weekend, so family is first and crafting is second. It's not that I haven't crafted, I have been crafting here and there in between. I do have a full-time job, so it's kind of difficult. I missed Christmas in July, so I have been working on my 2019 Christmas tags, which I love the theme I chose this year, and you'll be seeing that later on. I'll share that with you. And I know that you have seen, if you're following along with me, that I did tea and Paris swap on Loaded Envelopes Galore. So this is kind of following along with that same theme, and these are projects that I haven't shared before with you. I do have a couple in here that I did share just for you to see in the background, but these are all new projects, so I will show those to you right now. So this is a birthday gift that is going to a friend, and it is, of course, tea in Paris, and I created this birthday card with the Eiffel Tower, and that Eiffel Tower is a Spellbinders die that I've had for some time. I don't ever destash my things. I love them and I hold on to them. This is I believe it's a Mary Ann die from my stash, and the happy birthday as well. And I used Prima paper. I believe I used Amber Rose and something else. There was two pads that I actually went through. One was a 6x6 and the other was a 12x12. I used the whole thing up, which is unusual for me. I liked that. So that's the card. It's just a 5.5 by 5.5 card. And in the other video you did see the teapot that I made. I have another one here, and then I made this Christmas ornament out of the Spellbinders die because it is a die that was created to make this ornament. And I just put some rolled roses and a CottageCutz leafy die in here, and some Martha Stewart butterflies and some bling that I had, and I love the way it came out. It's really cute. My friend could put it in her Christmas tree. And then along with the tea in Paris, I have this little teapot die in my stash, and I have some tea bags here. And this little teapot is so cute. It's a little box, as you can see, makes this little box. This is probably only 3 inches high, maybe 3 inches across. And I have this little cup. I think this cup is CottageCutz, with a little spoon and a little tea bag coming out. Really cute on there. And they just, slip inside here like that. Really cute. This would be adorable if you're having a tea party as a little favor. Love that. Of course, when you're going to Paris, you're going to go shopping and you're going to need your purse. Now, I'll show you. The other thing that I made was the stacked teacup. I'm going to lift this up a little bit, and I know that you've seen that before, and that's part of this gift that I'm sending. I just have it there, and I'm not going to go over it because I did it in another video. So I'm going to link the tutorial for this purse down below in the where it says show more. Be sure to click on that to get this video on how to make this. This is a really good size purse. I was really pleased with the size of this, and I think it's adorable, and it came out really cute. I put one of those little snap closures on there, and then I filled it with things. I know everybody has seen this makeup die from Nicole Silhouette, and I was inspired by Ida Created to Create to make this with the little plastic jars on the inside with some glitter and some sequins. I think it came out so cute. So that's that on one of the items contained in here. I took everything out of the plastic bag so it wouldn't take so long. Then I have this little lipstick holder, and it has a CottageCutz Eiffel Tower on it that stands alone. I think it's so cute. That's another thing in there. And then I know if you've seen these tag holders, and I made 3 of them. I love these. Love these. This one went upside down when I put it in. Sorry about that. And go ahead and open that up. Here we go. So these are the tag holders. I believe this is also Nicole Silhouette's die, and it makes a little pocket, and it's really cute for making your tags. And I have this little tag here with a perfume bottle that's a shaker, and of course this little girl is from Hobby Lobby, and it just looks so cute in here, stuck like that. What a great presentation on tags. And then I have this one right here, and it has this beautiful jewelry piece embellishment on it. It looks so pretty. Of course, when you go to Paris, you're going to go smell the perfume. And the perfume bottles are beautiful like that. And then I have this one here, which says Paris on the little label section. It's filled with sequins. So pretty. That's what's inside there, and that pretty much fills that purse up. And it's not hard to make that. If you are interested, I would encourage you to go ahead and make one. They're beautiful for a gift. So in the back here, I've got some embellishments I created. Of course, I had to do some beautiful bows with nice sparkly centers, and then I have this little bag topper that's a teacup that is so cute on the top of that little bag. So I made 3 of them for my friend because they are just too sweet to use as bag toppers. And that is that. And I also have this altered bag back here. And I knocked the card down. And this is a CottageCutz teapot and roses that I made with a Marvy punch, and I believe this is a Spellbinders die. I don't have my dies here. And this one also is a Spellbinders die, and it looks like I put this on backwards, but it's a little teacup, and it's on a paper clip, and it holds the bag closed. And I have several dies in here, but I'll show you this one. I'm sending to my friend the makeup die, and I know she'll enjoy that. So with that being said, and this is how it's supposed to look with the little cup on top. Really cute. And I made this little box right here. The Eiffel Tower again this one is the CottageCutz Eiffel Tower. I could tell the difference because there's more holes in the Eiffel Tower. The steel structure shows more than on this, which this needs to be sturdy if it's going to stand on its own or hang from a tree. Hang on your Christmas tree. So this is a Sizzix die, and it actually has a piece that comes over and it hooks on its own, but I cut that off because I am sending these plastic bottles to my friend to use with her makeup die. And of course, I wanted to give her enough to enjoy, so I just clipped that off. So, when you're using your dies, you can adjust them as your needs arise. And then I have some Martha Stewart butterflies on here and a little bow. And that is it for my project share tonight. And I thank you for stopping by and watching my video. I hope you're inspired. Again, I'll leave the link for that tutorial down below. And I am still working on fall stuff right now and Christmas stuff. So please be watching because I'll be coming back with more. And until next time, everyone, happy crafting.